Self-reporting corruption, CZAR. What you gonna do when corruption czar help you? Thank you. July 24. I'm 1 day late for this live stream, and I'm shooting in front of a different studio today. Take a look right here, and we'll zoom in and zoom out. So how you guys doing? Look at that different web. Usually have it up above, but there's a different show today. I think live stream 24. I'm trying out some new audio setting on the OBS software. I haven't issued the last 3 weeks. So this week, topics going to be the Supreme Courts, because I noticed. Let me go back to my first. Let's go back to my close-up, and we'll go back up to. Here we go. We'll go down a little bit. Okay, here we go. Let's go here first. Let's get this stuff over with quickly. The reason why you want to watch this channel is if you're a victim of the red light scam. Okay, do you get one of them tickets? Guess what? I'm the best advocate against cameras. And I'm going to get my money first. And I'll show you something. So right here, let's take a look at this. I'm the world best advocate against cameras in the United States, probably aware. I can point over 100 things wrong with the scam because I went through the legal process. And let me look up at my close-up here. We'll go to a close-up. And what I mean by that is, since I'm educated in the law, I'll take my glasses off because I don't got my normal lighting set up. So I think I got like a fan light above me. So that's what I'm working with today. Let me look around, look at my cameras, and let's get back to this. Why I'm the world best advocate? Because I made over 70 complaints to government agencies. I filed court document, motions with the court, all kind of crazy stuff. You know what's crazy about this? Not one government agency will investigate my claims. Not one, even the complaints I filed in court system, they never recorded. Even took a complaint to the chief judge, he didn't record it. That's how unethical these people are in the red light scam. And that's why I'm going to go to the city. Tomorrow is September 3rd, I think. And they changed the city commission meeting till 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So from 9 o'clock. And I guess the good guy in government want me there, because I'm going to show up there tomorrow and talk about the red light scam. And that's for my $200 million settlement. And that's what we're going to talk about today. It's why we going to work out what we call voluntary settlement. Because the government, I can point out everybody's mistakes from the Supreme Court down. The Florida Attorney General offered a mistake. The governor offered a mistake. The Florida law enforcement, the sheriff's department, the state attorney office, list and list. And local FBI office. Okay. Now we got the city of Tampa, Tampa's people, the courthouse over there. Everybody, they are trained to cover up. And I'm an advocate for ethics in business and government. And I want to fix all of this. Because what happened is, I'm going to put my glasses on and show you some things. And called law of the land. Law of the land is this. This is how simple. How government should run. Law of the land is this. The Constitution above any city ordinance, any state statute, any red light cameras, rules. Remember, the red light camera help write the rules, how to enforce the red light program. But the key is they don't follow constitutional law. You got to have read here, null and void. So that's what the problem is. The government people think they can make rules out and make it law. Laws, You still got federal constitution, due process, legal procedure, witnesses, all that stuff. I'm going to go show you next page right here. Something I want to show you. It's very important to me. I'll look up here for a second. I got to go down here for a second. I got to find my stuff. Here's why the government need to pay attention. Say you're the governor, state attorney, a police officer, a state attorney office, a judge, or you took an oath. You're sworn to defend the Constitution, not the red light camera. So that's my big argument here. You got defending. You guys should be smarter. You got a college degree or special training, and you don't know the difference. You know what this reminds me of? You guys call expert. It's like somebody get a book on the Easter Bunny, read the book, now you're an expert on the Easter Bunny. But here the question is, what about the Easter Bunny? Is it real? No. That's exactly what the red light cameras are about. They wrote the rule how their book about the red light camera. Say the guy who wrote the book on the Easter Bunny. Okay, you can be expert. Remember, remember, the government lie all the time. Big businesses lie all the time. All about money. Remember, the U.S. Constitution recognizes two types of courts: civil and criminal. Traffic court basically illegal court. Basically, the state and the city and the county use it as revenue sources. And one thing about social media, I can expose it. Because right now, the government, everything they're trying to do is backfiring on them. They got us, you got the Democrats versus Republican, and because the education system, they indoctrinate people, they brainwash people, think Democrat. So they going after Republican. I'm the you know, guess what? I went and switched from Republican to the Democrat. You know why? They need help. I'm going to fix the Democratic Party if they let me be the leader. I want to be the leader of Democrat. Remember, the Constitution is a great document. It gets everybody right. Even what happened to government and causes lie to you. Remember, to me, there are two types of people: are the ethical people and unethical people. Ethical business, unethical business. Ethical government agency, unethical government agency. You see how that works? And what happened is the deep state, okay? Or, remember, you got all these people, like narcissists got power, like politician or business leader. They want to control everything. A lot of people, there are people out there like the control freaks, and they want to control you, people. They'll make all these rules and act like they're laws. And what I feel bad is a lot of people want to do public service, and their manual guidelines are wrong. You're getting lied to by the government. And let me go down here for a second and show you something. Cough. Okay, drink of water. That's what happens when you talk a lot. You get this scratchy voice. Let me get back here. I'll go back to my last picture here. Let's see what I have here. I gotta put my glasses back on. Oh, law of the land. Oh, let's go back to the law of the land. Law of the land is pretty good. I like the law of the land. And I'll do a close up. This is the greatest article. This is how simple the law is. Look at this. Constitution. That's what the government trying to take away from us, your Constitution. They will lie to you. Say you're a homosexual. The government have you divided by it. Okay? Say you're an immigrant. Guess what? The law there for you. Remember, here's how simple immigration is. All you do is fill out the paperwork and let you in. Just follow the law. Somebody lying to you. Okay, it's real simple. Just follow the law. That's how simple it is. Same with government. Say you're a county commissioner, a city commissioner, or a state employee. The manual guidelines they're giving you is not the law. The rules, what they enforce. Remember, it's like the cell phone company. You got a cell phone, right? They make all the rules how they want to enforce their program, their cell phone program. Remember, they want to add fees to you while going to court. Technically, every businesses and every government agency violated consumer collection law. Because technically, if you get a bill, they take you to small claim court, and they just automatically do it. They say, "Oh, you volunteer to do it." No, you didn't sign up paperwork. Plus, it ain't the law anyway. That's what I think I'm trying to fix. Is fix the court system, fix ethic in government. We have remember why the government is so unethical. The government should be working for us. We were their bosses. When they tell us what to do, there's something wrong there. We got to get control of this government because they got everybody divided. And I'm here to unite everybody, get everybody on board. Let's get back to the good old days, 1950s or 1960, early part of 60. Okay, we got too many people, unethical people making it. Like I said, what happened when an unethical person make a decision? You get unethical results. And that's what they have. Like now, everybody hates Trump. Okay, he's unethical. A lot of other people are unethical. Most people who succeed in life are unethical. Okay, so you ain't Democrat, Republican, you ethical or unethical? So let's get everybody being ethical. Remember, they trying to divide us. If you get divided, remember they want to. Red lights can't. What I'm trying to fix is the camera, because once you get brainwashed and think camera is good for. Remember, the camera ain't your friend. It's trying to take money from you. It's trying to put restriction on you. It's trying to control you. You want America is freedom. Freedom to travel. Freedom to lifestyle. If you had cameras, soon I heard drones in your house. Camera in your house and find you for everything. Now they're trying to, look at the cameras they got up now. They got straight cameras, run red light, right turn, left turns, school zone, park, whatever they got. The ones with the reading tags that if you suspended driving license, and I want to show you something about suspended driving license. I'm going to write my attorney this week. I found an article here. Let me go back up here to find it here. Where's the Supreme Court at? Okay, I'm going to go back down a second. Hang on a second. Here you go, right here. Well, look at this article. This is a great article. Even the United States Supreme Court ruled you don't need a driver license. And you know the media don't tell you about it, or the government tell you about it. Because remember, like I said, the traffic court is an illegal court, all about making revenue for the local city, state, and county. You see how unethical that is? You read right here. Look. So basically, look at me the issue here. Let me go back up here to my cameras. Close up. Nope. I'm going to go back to this one here. So look at this. The Florida Supreme told, I think 2012, you don't need a driver license. I mean, okay. So they've been the city, the county, the state enforcing something illegal, putting people in jail illegally. You know, I'm going to start a social justice organization to get everybody money. That's why I'm going to the city for $200 million, because I got. On my Facebook page this week, I put article like 3 different well, I'll get back. The different states. The part, like in my complaints I made to the government. Verbal, written, okay, like all the government agencies, city employee, county employee, the complaints I've written into the, remember I've written to the courts, and they never recorded, but I'm talking about this. The state, the Supreme Court, the United States Supreme Court confirming what I'm putting, what I'm telling people, and what I'm writing down. Hey, this violates the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, the 14th, you know, all the due process. Remember, the article last week confirmed the 14th. That one, I think, Iowa, L-O-W-A, that state. Their Supreme Court said, "Hey, you violate due process and equal protection of the law." Like I said, I tell everybody, equal protection is this. It's the 5th and the 4th. There with the 5th. First of all, the 5th, you don't have to talk to a cop. Montour versus State, 1958. You don't have to give information to police. Okay. Okay. Technically, you don't have to give show your driver license. registration, insurance. What get me is, remember, I get pulled over by police like 9 times so far in less than a year. And each deputy give me different response. And don't lie, the best thing is don't argue with them. You just hope you don't get a ticket. And the last one said, oh, you need a written document on your insurance policy. And I'm about to say, hey, dude, no, I don't. But that's what get me. These guys not properly trained. And I'm going to try to fix this. That's what I'm going to try. I got offer a reality TV show. I'm thinking about doing it now. We had to retrain everybody. Excuse me about that. We retrain everybody. We got to retrain all the officers about constitutional law. We had to train all the judges. We had to change all the government agencies. We had to train all the education system, colleges, school, elementary school, junior high school, because they're not properly training people. Because remember, every business in violation government of collection laws, like I said a few minutes ago. So what else I put down here? Oh, we only do 16 minutes. And like I tell people, if I'm gonna make a special video for the city for that $200 million settlement, because I only get lucky if I get to talk. I only get 5 minutes to talk, and I gotta explain why that you gotta do a settlement, because if I file a federal complaint, remember the FBI, the U.S. Justice Department, the Treasury Department, IRS, another government agency, I'll be filing complaints. Remember, then if I do that, then they got to subpoena hundreds of people who are talked to about their cameras. And remember, the county, state, and the city, whatever, you got to get them an attorney. So it's cheaper to pay me $200 million plus. The other thing we want to talk about, the 11th Amendment. They think they're immune from liability. No. Let's get this straight. There's no limit on liability. Remember, somebody said the city says it's 100,000. Somebody at state attorney says 250,000. See, these people don't know what's going on. I do know what's going on. And what happened is the city, the county, state want to limit their own rules. Remember, they use their own rule. Oh, it's $200,000. Guess what? The Constitution above you ignored what you just said. It's like the criminals say, oh, I don't have to do this. Guess what? You are criminals. So your rules don't apply. It's like negotiate with the judge, the criminal. No, the judge pretty much tell you what to do. That's what I'm doing with you guys. So let me get with the Florida Supreme Court. It's corrupt. Florida Supreme Court is gone corrupt. And if I had to file federal complaints, okay, I want to try to impeach all the Florida Supreme Court. Okay? If I start filing paperwork, 3 of them going to, let's say, resign or retire, early retirement soon. And what they're waiting on is the new governor. It's September. So in January, after election, I know who will be the governor, Democrat, Republican, and that's what's going to happen. They're going to try to step away because they know I'm going to go after the Supreme Court judges pretty soon. Because my government people in the background say, hey, Mr. House has got a case. He going to if you file a federal complaint, he will impeach the Florida Supreme Court. It affects the election cycle. Okay? Remember, we had a Patman, local guy, he about to win. He fought red light cameras. And guess what? The government pulled me some favors and got a different candidate in there, Trump boy. And he swamped Patman. See what happened, guys? Remember, if this senator, Ron DeSantis, come governor, don't be surprised. I'll be appointed first ever corruption czar of the state of Florida, or the president appoint me corruption czar of the state of Florida. I'll clean all this stuff up. All the unethical practices. I'll clean up the. Remember, and the issue we having is this: they're processing everybody here, and Right here, like right here, look. In this article. I filed a letter. I filed an email with one of my government attorneys. They didn't get back with me. They know I'm right about this. I'm trying to fix this. Okay, we're going to fix this. Because what happened is the state attorney are bluffing. The state attorney is a criminal company, not a collection company, a agency. They got no one at me is this. It should never leave the state attorney office unless they're ready to go to court. They bluff. They put everybody in this divergent plan. That's what I did. And I'm going to fix this. But the problem is I can't get them to talk to me. So eventually I'll probably run for public office and fix this. But I'm going to fix vagueness, process, and the court system. If I have to, I will fix traffic court. Right. Eliminate that. Take that revenue from the city and county way. Remember, it'd be an act of a crime to stop a vehicle. And a broken light ain't a crime. It's an infraction. So, let's see what time I got here. 21 minutes. And I hope my microphone works. I'm going to go look at something. Get back over here. And, okay, let's see. Oh, let's go down here. Here, why all the tickets are illegal right here in the state of Florida. This letter right here. They got 45 days to notify us. Even this is their rules. They put this rule in there for them, and they don't follow their own rules. You believe that? They put it in there, and they don't follow it. Because basically, they give you 60 days to a citation notice. So technically, every ticket ever written. Now, if they did that, here's what happened. 817. They organized this scheme and defraud. What do you mean by that? They know it's illegal. Okay, it's still processing it. But here the key is, I'm going to get them one right here. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to go back up. They call, let me go down. Let me find it. It's called, what is this? Oh, let's keep going. It's called, oh, I found my dang thing here. Oh, let's put this one over here. Fraud. It's impersonated police officer. Remember the camera company playing cop. Okay, I had an article last week on my Facebook page about the Supreme Court talking about the guy shot the cop a bird and drove off. So 7 police cars chased after him. They arrested him. And then he went, a couple of years later, he sued him. The judge said he could sue all of them because they had no reason to stop him. So here what I come about false report. This is a good one here. This is how I'm going to get them. The Florida Supreme Court can't save them. It's false report. I got them both ways. Okay, look at it. So if you miss your 45 days to issue a citation, a violation, from a violation to citation, I mean they issue false report. So basically every ticket is illegal from day one. Okay, that's how simple this is. And I got them. Let me go back here, say something. And I'll go to my courtroom picture. Playing judge. I'm gonna have a YouTube. I got a YouTube channel. Okay, I'm gonna show you that. I'll go back to my YouTube channel. I got one here. I'm gonna go back up to here. I got a secondary YouTube channel, and it'll be fun. Okay, I'm gonna show you to it. Whoops. Come on. Too many. We go back up here. Come on, Rick. Here you go, right here. This is that one. This is my new channel. I had no time to play with it. Good cop versus bad cops. And I'm going to be the judge in there. What I want to do is, I'm making a different studio. I'm going to have the same corruption doll studio on one wall, and have a other wall with my big screen TV. What happened? I want to put a video in the background and watch it. Okay, and talk about it. And I try not to bash the cop. He doing exactly what he trained to do. That's what I'm going to fix. I'm going to fix the cops. Say, hey, why would we shouldn't be messing with violating people's constitutional right We collect money for the city or the county or the state. Okay? Our job is to answer calls. Okay, you putting them guys in danger, city, county, state. Every time they pull a vehicle over, okay, remember, Constitution says you don't need a driver license. So you guys got major liability. If I start a social justice organization, I'm going to guarantee, I'm going to get everybody their money for 2012 to today. False arrests. Okay? I'll guarantee you that. So, I'm going to go back to my other channel. And I got a Facebook page. Hang on, let me go up to my Facebook page. It's all backward again. Oh, hang on. Here's my Facebook page. Check this out. I use my Facebook page as my notebook. What I do every week is this. I'm coughing too much. Every time I put an article on a comment, I put on my Facebook page. So that's where I keep my notes. You can look at it. See, what happened is the bad guy in government likes to steal stuff out of my computer. But not even steal stuff out of Facebook. Plus, I can, like I said in my video, I can track whoever look at my Facebook page. So if I had to file a federal complaint, FBI or U.S. State Department will go through my settings here and pull every person who look at my stuff. Okay, say you're law enforcement or a judge or county commissioner, city commissioner, attorney or something like that. You will be subpoenaed. And they'll ask, okay, have you been Mr. Social Media platform? You lie, perjury. So, well, we got this here, right here, you're here, and well, guess what? Your job is to fix what Mr. Hauser just said. You're in position to shut the red light camera down. Okay, and you didn't do it. You're aiding, abetting criminal activity, sexually fortified, sexual such a justice. I will bring the charge against you people. You don't. So here the difference is. I'm gonna get close up. I'm gonna talk to you guys. You gotta need to look at me. Okay, hang on. This is a close up. It ain't going away. Okay, I'm gonna shut down the cameras. I'm going to collect my settlement I'm entitled to. Now, there's the easy way or the hard way. The easy way is to give my $200 million off my $5 billion for the robo signing. Yeah. Now, I'll be okay. I'll go away. So look at me. I don't play a game. I'm going to beat you with the knowledge of the law. I don't have to commit no act. I want to smart you guys. You say every damn attorney on me, every smart person you think is smart, I'll smart them. Okay? Yeah. So, it ain't going away. This is my life purpose now. All do is eat, sleep, get my settlement. Eat, sleep, get my settlement. I'm brainwashed. Okay? I'm hypnotized. I want my money. That's all I think about. I don't be with smart. That's all I think about. Go ahead, give me a government profile, off profile, like I did before, profile them back. I ain't crazy. They're crazy stupid and crazy smart, crazy smart. I got consistent, persistent. That's the difference from anybody else. I'm never going to take time to take you guys on. I've done it before. So, hang on. Well, I'm getting up my minutes up 29 minutes, and we'll go down to... let's go down here for a second. With my I love this one here. See that? Look at this. This is the right of the. Remember, I went to court, and the camera officer said he can't see the light. Okay, he lied. So the camera company lied too. See, two different answers from two experts. And Florida Supreme Court said, "Oh, just one person." No, that's why Bradley versus Maryland in 1963 all about evidence. Witnesses show up in court. And so that's why one reason I want to what do you call it? Impeach the Florida Supreme Court for trying to run protection for the criminals. So 29 minutes up. And I'll catch you guys later. And I'm going to get out of here. Go to my wide screen. Here you go, 6:15. switch over. So thank you for watching this show. What you gonna do when corruptions are help you? Thank you for tuning in.